Hello everybody. In this video we will study about the estimation. Estimation means to make an idea about quantities, to judge approximate size, cost, population, etc. Estimation, also known as rounding of numbers to the nearest 10 or nearest 100 or nearest 1000, etc. So first we will study about rounding off a number to the nearest 10. For this we will do the first step, and in that first step is that see the digit at unit place. If second step, if the digit is at one's place is less than 5, replace one's digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. So for example, like 542. In 542 we have to round off to the nearest 10. Here we have to round off to the nearest 10. So nearest 10 means we will see the value at unit place, and the value at unit place is 2 and 2 is less than 5. Clear? Means this will become what? 0. When we will round it off, it will become 0. So the answer will be 540. Clear to all of you? Okay, take another example like 934. Round off to the nearest 10. Nearest 10 means we will see the value, we will see the digit at unit place. So unit place value is 4 and 4 is less than 5. So what answer we will get here? 930. Clear? So this is the nearest 10. Clear to all of you? Yes. Now if the digit at one's place is 5 or more than 5, then increase 10th digit by 1 and replace one's digit by 0. Clear? So what, like take another example, 586. Nearest 10. Again this is what? Nearest 10 we have to round it we have rounded off to the nearest 10. 586. So see, at unit place which digit is here? 6, and 6 is what? Greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5 is what we will do? We will increase the digit which is at 10th place by 1. So this 58 will become what? 59, and this 6 will become what? 0. 590. Clear? Now take another example like 347. So in 347 again you have to round it off to the nearest 10. Clear? Again which value you will see? Unit digit. Unit digit is 7 and 7 is greater than 5. So this 4 will what? Will become 5. So 3, 5, and this 7 will become what? 0. So always remember, when we have to round it off nearest 10, we see the digit at units place. Units place digit, if less than 5, then it becomes 0. Clear? But if units place digit is more than 5, then the digit which is at 10th place increase by 1, and the digit which is at unit place that become what? 0. Clear? Take another example also, 4, 5, 5. So in 4, 5, 5, 5 is what? It is 5 here. So again same process we will follow here. This 5 will become what? 6, and this 5 will become the unit, means the 5 which is present at the unit place will become 0. So 460. Clear? So like this we can round off a number to the nearest 10. Clear to all of you? I'll give you few more questions and that you can solve and you can find out whether you are able to do or not. If you are not able to do, then we can solve it when I take the live classes. Clear? So next time, girls, next time you will attain a live classes. So all of you, please subscribe this channel. Okay, subscribe this channel, like it and share it. When you will subscribe it, you will get the notification when I am uploading the video, when there is a live classes. Clear, girls? What you have to do? You have to subscribe the channel so that next time whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification. Whenever there will be a live classes, then also you will come to know and you will enjoy the class. Yes, you will feel that in a natural class you will feel. Clear? So all of you, please subscribe it. You will get the notification. Okay. Now, next, rounding off a number to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. Here nearest 10. So we see what digit at the unit place, and nearest 100 when we have to round off. Nearest 100. Clear? Nearest 100, then what we'll do? Like, it's better to solve it by taking an example like 549. So nearest 100 means you will see the digit which is present at the tens place. So at tens place, what? 4, and 4 is less than 5. Clear? So what will happen? Yes, if it is less than 5, then the digit at tens place and unit place will become what? 0. So nearest 100, it will become 500. Clear? Take another example. 634. In 634, again nearest 100 you have to round it off. So you will see the digit at tens place. So tens place is what? 3. 3 is less than 5. Means 6 and then 3 will become 0, 4 will also become 0, and the answer is what? 600. Clear to all of you? Yes. So whenever we have to round it off to the nearest 100, we see the digit at the tens place. Whenever we have to find the we have to round it off to the nearest 10, then we see the digit at the unit place. Clear? Take another example also, like 926. In 926, which one number we will see? Yes, digit at the tens place, and this 2 is less than 5. Means this 2 will become 0, this 6 will also become 0, and the answer is what? 900. Clear? Next time I'll take the live classes, so you all be able to interact with me. Clear? You will solve it. I can see your process, I can see your name, and I can see your answer also. Clear? And you will be able to interact with me. So please subscribe the channel. Clear? Yes. Science Buzz. The name of my YouTube channel is Science Buzz. I am writing here Science Buzz. Clear? So please subscribe this channel, Science Buzz. Clear? This is the name of my channel. You please subscribe it. Next time I'll take the live classes. You will find it very interesting and you will enjoy it. Clear? It will be very informative as well as very interactive. Clear? Now, come to the point. Another example I am taking here. 564. Clear? 564. So, if the digit is, again the question is nearest 100. So, you will see the digit at the tens place. This tens place is what? 6. 6 is what? More than what? 5. This 6 is more than 5. So, digit which is at 100 place will increase by 1. So, this 5 will become what? 6, and this 6 will become 0, 4 will become 0, and the answer is what? 600. Clear? Again, take one more example. 852. Again, nearest, we have to round it off to the nearest 100. So, we will see the digit at tens place. Tens place is 5. And we know when it is 5 or more than 5, then what happened? this digit means the digit which is at 100 place will increase by 1. So this will become 9, this 5 will become 0, this 2 will become 0, and the answer will be what? 900. Okay. Now for today this much only, and in next video I will discuss rounding of a number to the nearest 1000, and that will be the live classes. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and name of my channel is Science Buzz. So please subscribe and please enjoy. That class will be very informative and very interesting. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.